Welcome to the instructions video for the Reduced Mass Interactive Calculator. This powerful tool helps you simplify two-body physics problems by calculating the reduced mass, which transforms complex interactions between two objects into an equivalent single-body problem. It's essential for orbital mechanics, molecular vibrations, and quantum physics calculations. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter two mass values. In the first mass field, enter the mass of your first object. For our example, let's use a value representing a small particle, such as 9.109 times 10 to the negative 31 kilograms for an electron. In the second mass field, enter your second mass value, like 1.673 times 10 to the negative 27 kilograms for a proton. Once you've entered both values, click the Calculate button. The calculator will display the reduced mass result, which you can use in your physics equations. The reduced mass is always smaller than either individual mass and represents the effective inertial mass of the two-body system. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.